Welcome to Motivation Boosters, where we will give you the tools you need to face your fears and discover your real calling. We'll discuss the empowering nature of letting go of fear in this episode. If you've ever felt like fear prevented you from achieving your goals, stay with us because we're going to discuss 3 essential reasons why letting go of fear can help you live a successful and fulfilling life. Hello, motivation seekers. On the road to reaching our objectives and aspirations, fear can be a tremendous barrier. It infiltrates our thoughts and causes us to question our potential and capabilities. But today, we're going to discover how letting go of fear may be a decision that completely transforms your life and ushers in a meaningful existence. Point 1. Seize fresh chances. In order to fulfill your purpose, you must first let go of fear, since doing so enables you to seize fresh chances. Fear frequently keeps us limited to our safe but unchanging comfort zones. But when we venture into the unknown, real development and advancement take place. You'll be more willing to take chances, explore new avenues, and embrace opportunities that are in line with your interests and purpose once you've let go of fear's hold. Point 2. Encourage growth and resilience. The ability to overcome fear creates resilience and promotes personal development, which is another essential reason to do so. Although there are many difficulties and disappointments in life, we can prevent them by being afraid. We develop resilience when we accept fear as a necessary component of the trip. Resilience enables us to recover more quickly from failures and setbacks. Letting go of fear enables us to see difficulties as opportunities for learning, driving us toward change and personal progress. Point 3. Establish valuable relationships. Finally, letting go of fear enables us to develop deep relationships with others. Our fear of criticism and rejection might prevent us from making deep and sincere connections. But when we get rid of these anxieties, we open up and become more understanding and vulnerable. Our ability to connect with people more deeply as a result of our authenticity helps us build a strong support system that can encourage and elevate us on our path to purpose. It's important to keep in mind, motivation seekers, that letting go of fear involves acknowledging its existence rather than allowing it to rule our choices and actions. Accepting fear as a traveling companion on our path to purpose enables us to develop, explore, and connect in ways we never imagined. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration if you found today's episode motivating. Let us know what you think in the comments section below and how letting go of fear has changed your life. Dare to let go of fear until we meet again and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead of you on the path to purpose. Keep fighting and never give up. Goodbye.